Kumulai sibunya pi berok projok ki baju standar dan snap kebor alat kamar ni kat channel temen tangan orang ek ni advertisement ki alat kamar poka is active kita ki post bilong kum ka post bilong kum post assistant teacher social science English operate in SSS. The age between age along other years number relax 5 years and should try ST up to 4 year 14 year. Yang ka post along assistant teacher ka way nasa in graduate social science nasa assistant teacher ka way in English nasa graduate arts in B.Ed nasa salary gede arts manager with in major English nasa assistant teacher in science away nasa graduate in science with B.Ed nasa teacher long gede operate SSA teacher long Jakarta gede for East Jaintia Hill District on contract basis update kan day haga live way trick primary kong atau san di post kilong kami bentuk ka post assistant teacher in science nomor post kare away nasa salary gede apa hundai hajar per month essential qualification graduate in arts with a B.Ed with the major in one of the subject under the social science. A post ba kalong mean of post assistant teacher in English number of post away salary kalong art pandai hajar shibanai essential qualification graduate in arts with B.Ed with the major in the English. Post palai kadai ka assistant teacher in science number of post kadai away nasa salary art majar shibanai nasa essential qualification kadai graduate in science with B.Ed and major in one of the subject under the science. Ka age limit between kalong katra hadu artius nam relax up to 5 years in case of the scheduled tribe and scheduled caste or up to 14 years for those already serving in government aided school aided in the recognized private school received by Khliehriat. Jika nanti pen apply ke negeri bendon dengan certificate diploma in computer or knowledge of usage ICC teaching process. Form non format in before ka shua life way trick to the office of the IC district school education project in the Samagra Shiksha SE East Jaintia Hill area. The application are requested mentioned to the request number with alternate number in the application form. Pidapan photocopies of the relevant document and certificate and testimonial. Pidapan test rule ya ka. Self copy document for the record of the original and verified during the interview haswa ka interview ke tila data filang day ki barang kamay what clear ban subscribe and ban share like and subscribe ya ki way mo nama pinyo shibon ki update na mata ka ki bola kam ka ne channel